Hello viewers, welcome back to Samti's channel for mathematics, and today too we are here for another section, standard form. There is a very simple part or aspect of mathematics, and there is a question here which says as a preamble. So the question says, write the following numbers in standard form. We're having the first one to be 0.000344. So that one, you write the solution over here. And you have the second question also to be 0.06715. You also do the solution over here. So keep watching and subscribe to this channel as we move on to do the solution. So for the first one, you will write the question over here, 0.000344. So this is the question again. So what we do is that in standard form, we make sure that we remove this decimal point from here to the first non-zero number, which is 3. So we are moving this point from here to the first non-zero number, which is a 3. So we will bring it at the back of the first non-zero number. So you see it's very simple. So let us do it right here. So 0.000344. So let's try to move it from there. We move it 1 here, we move it 2 here, we move it 3, and we move it to this place the 4th time. So now the point has come to this place. So here is the decimal point right now. Alright, so now since the point has come here, it has become 3.44. So times 10 raised to the power 2. But this one, alright, so we are having 3.44 times 10 raised to the power negative 4. Why negative 4? We move the point 4 times then. 4 times, so we move it 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4th time. So 4 should be written here. But somebody might ask, why is it negative? But if we come here, 10 exponent 4 gives us 10,000. And 3.44 here times 10 exponent 4, which is 10,000, gives us 34,400, which means we are not getting back to the question, but the solution should send us back to the question after typing it into the calculator. So it means the negative will work. But some people also use the idea that if you move the point 4 times, since if you want to get a question back, you have to move the point to the left 4 times. Since we have to move to the left, then we consider here to be negative because we have to move to the left side before we will get the solution. Right, so this becomes the solution for the first one. Let's consider the second one by writing the question again, 0.06715. Right, so let us repeat it here, 0.06715. So the same way as we did this, we make sure that we move the decimal point from here to the first non-zero number, which is 6. So the point will come at the back of the first non-zero number, which is 6. So we will move it 1, 2, so that it comes here. Let us do that. So we are moving it 1, let's count it together, and 2. So now the decimal point has come here, so we are going to have 6.715. So somebody might ask, what about these zeros? But when we write zeros in front of this, they are nothing. 03 is the same as 3, 06 is the same as 6, 0005 is the same as 5. So you can decide to write the zeros, but they don't matter. So you don't have to waste your time writing zeros over here. They are just waste of time. So we are having 6.715 times 10 raised to the power, we move the point 2 times, right? So it should be 2. As I told you earlier, since if you want to get back to the question, we move it 2 times to the left, so we consider it to be negative. So someone will say, why negative? That is why we say if we take 10 exponent 2 over here, it will give us 100. And if we take 6.715 times 100, which is 10 exponent 2, then we are going to get 671.5, which is not back to this question. It is never back to this question. But if you use the negative, then we will get back to this question. You can use your calculator to prove it, and you will definitely get back to this question. So that is why the negative is used, because if you want to get back to the question, you move the point to the left hand side, and we consider that to be negative. And when you come to this place, the same thing, we moved it to the left hand side 4 times so that we can come back to this question. So sometimes a question can be given to you in this form, that send it to decimal form, then you do justice to it by taking away, because the negative sign here, we will move it 4 times back and we will get this one. And if you are supposed to send this also to decimal form, because of this negative, to remove it to the left hand side because of the negative, so the point will be moved here 1 2, so we will still come back to this same thing over here. So that is what we do. Very good. Thank you for watching, viewers. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and always visit this channel to watch more videos for your mathematics advancement. Thank you. All right, viewers, thank you very much. Please subscribe for more videos from this channel. Bye.